Hello, kindergarten. Today is Tuesday, and we are working on comparing 2D and 3D shapes. Yesterday, we did the solve and share and the independent practice. Today, we're going to watch our visual learning to give a little refresher on what we were doing yesterday.
How do 3D shapes contain 2D shapes?
Let's find out.
What shape is Jackson holding? He is holding a square. What solid figure has flat surfaces that are squares?
Hint, look on the table and the desk. This one right here.
Cubes are solid figures that have flat surfaces that are squares. Each side of the cube is the same. Let's find objects that have a square, flat surface in this classroom. What objects do you see in the classroom? You see a calendar, a clock, and a door. What flat surfaces do these objects have? The clock has a flat surface that is a circle. The door has a flat surface that is a rectangle. The calendar has a flat surface that is a square. Where do you see a square, flat surface in this classroom? The calendar is a square, flat surface. The window in the door is also a square, flat surface. You can see that the calendar is tilted. Is it still a square, flat surface? Yes, tilting an object does not change its shape. The calendar is still shaped like a square. Now you know how 3D shapes contain 2D shapes.
All right, we're going to go into our independent practice of lesson 13-3. And down here are the directions for grown-ups you to be looking at. And for 7 and 8, remember, this is more independent practice. This is something that you want them to be doing pretty much by themselves. Maybe ask the question and then let them try to figure it out. And if they get it wrong, you could come back and talk about it, but try to let them do it as much as you can. Now, number 9, it's a higher order thinking question. So this one, I often have to kind of guide them a little bit more to the problem because it's not something that comes as easily. It's higher order thinking, something that they have to think a little bit more about. So that one you can try to help them a little bit, but again, it's independent practice. Let them try to do it as much as they can. If your student needs a little extra help or you want them to have a little more practice in this, go ahead and do the homework portion of it also. Have a great day learning, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.